Good morning, traders. This is Ali Abbas from the stockmonger.in. Today is the 26th of June, and this is the last trading week for June. At the moment, it is 10:29 a.m., and I am in a put option for 43,700 where I bought it over here. I actually put the buying price. Let me just check the orders. As you can see, the buy price over here is 231 where I bought it at. The candle is not showing, but I put a buy price of 231. Why? Because this broke out, the green was over the red, and usually it retraces back to either the red or VWAP. So I took a small risk by taking a buy at the red level. Okay, so it came and bought and it went back up. 8% target is hit, so I exited 50% quantity. Since I'm already in a profit for today of 4,000 plus, I thought, okay, let's just take small trades, small volume trades. And what happened now is it's going to break 8% barrier and head for 16%. So I'm just waiting for 258 260 levels to break, then I'll start trailing the stop loss. This could be a directional move, and I'll tell you why. It opened gap up, tried to break previous day's highs, it wasn't happening, and came down. It did a price action where exactly this candle low, you can see this rejections over here. It did a price action, and with RSI showing very negative right now over here, as you can see. So there's a very good chance that this support will be broken and this can really fall. Now the first support I have drawn is 43,559. The second support is 43,496. If these break, then it is going to be a very good move. So right now, whenever green is above both lines, it's a positive, but it will always retest and move up. So since I've booked 50%, what I've done is I'm holding it to see if it can just flash back up with a breakout, sorry, a breakdown in the index, so that this can just fly. It'll keep retesting the green line, and once these highs are broken, then it could be a very good directional trade. Let's see how that works out. If this starts to dip below with green being above the red in the VWAP, I will average down a little more if there's a red candle closing below VWAP over here. So right now time is 10:31 and I am waiting. Let's see what happens. Right, traders, within 3 minutes of the previous recording, see what happened. This burst out and it broke the previous highs of this particular option. So I'm just going to wait and see if this can turn into a directional trade. Right now I've shifted my stop loss to cost for the remaining quantity, and once this starts going above 276 as it's showing over here, I'm going to start trailing my stop loss and see how much maximum we can get. Right now my profit is around the 5,000 mark, which is my target profit. I was looking at 8900 put option, but Nifty is not showing much movement. Bank Nifty is showing a lot of weakness. I have checked all the stocks and all of them are going into a correction mode. So if this actually works in my favor, now the second candle has started at 10:35 candle. If it breaks 276 and flies, then that will be a very good profit for me. So I'm just waiting and watching. We've crossed 5,300, 400 over here, as you can see. Let's just wait and watch. So traders, as you can see, this percentage growth over here is showing as 19 plus percent, and my target level has already been crossed. So what I did today is first I bought a call of 18,550 CE, which gave me around 2,700 points, which was the opening rise over here. And Bank Nifty has started to break down all the levels. If these two levels break, then I'm going to start shifting my stop losses to profits. As you can see, I'm ready with closing one lot. I have two lots live right now. I'm ready to close one lot at 281 stop loss, because that will give me 50 points, which I always earn for. So right now 20% is the growth. Let's see if this starts to deflate and comes below 5,200. I'll close it off. Right now I've shifted my stop loss to 8% total growth at 247. If this can hit and go above 281, nothing like it, we have about 45 seconds more for this candle to close, and if it is a directional trade, it is going to be incredible. So this is how I grow my account, guys. I target at least 8 to 16%, and if there is directional, then I start trailing and getting maximum profits. So let's see, 274, it's not cracking 280. 280 is the highest I gave today. So let's see if that breaks, that'll be excellent. Okay, traders, so my stop loss I shifted down to 260 because sorry, I closed that window because मेरे को दिख रहा था कि market reverse होने वाला है. I was waiting for 281, but that didn't happen. It went up to 277 again. From there it reversed and came down. So 260 I shifted my stop loss. So now my running profit right now is 4,800. Now I'm looking at 43,700 because the SAR dots have crossed the red line. Okay, I'm waiting for a rejection actually on this because this does not immediately break up like this. It will come back down. I'm waiting for the rejection to come. Probably I'll buy it below 165. Right now, yes, 181 bata raha hai. It could go up also, but I am seeing it come down. This was a good thing I did not get into this trade, so I'm going to close it. अब ये रिवर्सल दिखा रहा है, but then you can see this is the price action level. So probably a little decay over here and probably a big U-turn is what I'm looking for. The futures is also showing a little weakness, but at the moment I don't see futures doing much right now. Even though this is a straight line, and when it is declining in a straight line, it tends to fall further. So there could be a reversal, but I'm going to wait for it. I'm not getting confidence right now to get into the call option right now. So we'll wait and watch. Time is 11:01. When there is a setup, I will enter the trade. Otherwise, I will leave it and take this profit home today. Okay, traders, one more trade that I took. What happened was I waited for Bank Nifty. I knew that it was going to rise because RSI was just taking off over here, but I saw the rejection again happening and I bought a put right over here at 179.4. As you can see over here, 179.4. I had bought three lots. I just wanted to take it very easy. 179, 180 into 75, basically around 13,500 is the amount that I put in, and I was looking for 8% where I booked two lots over there. So my profit right now is 900. Uh, Waited for this to hit. Now, if this rejection of VWAP stands, then it will probably come down. So I am going to put my stop loss at 176. Now it's at 188. If this breaks and moves above 197, I'm going to shift my stop loss to 194, which is the 8% mark. So now my profit is above 5,500, which I'm very happy about. If this comes back about 10-20 points, I'll just lose about 3 to 400 rupees. Not a problem for me. If this closes above VWAP, which it is doing right now, still 2 minutes to go, then I will shift my stop loss to cost, and then I'll take it from there. But this is my last trade for the day because I've met my target. I don't want to overtrade. It is quite a zigzag market, though it is slightly directional. From here, could it shoot up or could it still drop down? I don't want to know. I don't want to hang out and find out. So this is my trade for today, guys. My target has been met, has been crossed. So that's all for today. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Thank you so much.